Job Sikhala uya advocate pamusoro penhau iri kuitika aiwa munyika yeZimbabwe, nhau yekukepchwa vanhu veCCC. Abva auya akataura mashoko achiti aiwa vanhu vemunyika yeZimbabwe, we must stand up and unite together to report this issue. Saka pina mashoko ataugwa naJob Sikhala. Unomuziva Job Sikhala akambofesa the same thing. Unobva wasubscribe like utina on the bell icon. Anouya paendo pake onyora achiti there are fundamental human rights abuses people of Zimbabwe are routinely facing under the criminal regime in Harare. The bashing of these senior citizens and the most despicable pictures of our citizens living fractured and swollen, including broken bones and video of victims of brutal torture and assault, vindicates what we are telling the world, that Zimbabwe is being run by criminal gang. All Zimbabweans of good standing must expose and speak about the evil that is reigning in our country. Our people are under attack. The democratic space has been completely shut. Our people are suffocating. Brutality is reigning supreme. Opposition is being banned to organize, and arbitrary arrest of opponents are the order of the day. What has been done to these change agents can be done to you tomorrow. We must all stand up against evil. Mashoko andogwa naJob Sikhala mamanzwa aiwa achiti aiwa tikufanira kutoramba tichiripota this issue nokuti Zimbabwe iri kuraniwa neagang aiwa iri corrupt and abusive. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pemashoko ake. Mina comment section medu musano subscribe, like, turn on the bell icon.